When I first started the doctoral program at Keiser University, I was very, very overwhelmed. You have to have perseverance and dedication to get you through the program. You can have like a lot of ups and downs, everything from family to work and different things that may occur in your personal life. But you have to persevere and you have to be dedicated to the program. If you're dedicated to the program, it will work for you and it'll help get you through. When I first started the doctoral program at Keiser University, I was very, very overwhelmed. I was nervous about the program, nervous about my abilities, and I really wasn't confident at first. But the more that I took a step, the more that I continued to work hard at the program, the professors embraced me. They were very, very accommodating, and they also worked really hard with me to get me through the program as well. The faculty and my classmates, they work really hard to motivate you because there are going to be points in time where you're really going to be burnt out. I mean, there are points in time throughout the program where you're going to be tired, again, of course, dealing with family, and they come in, they talk with you, they speak with you, they let you know that you're not by yourself, that we're all going through this right here together, and that shared collectiveness is what helps get you through the program. Trust the process. Trust the process. Have a vote of confidence within yourself. Believe that you can get through the program, and the program will help get you through it as well. Again, Keiser University has been wonderful. I've had a wonderful experience. I've had an incredible experience with the professors, with the staff, and also with my classmates as well. So those things are really what helped me throughout this entire process.